No one cares about your gig log. Oops, did I say that? What's up, everybody? It's Eric Wedding here. Happy New Year. 2020 is upon us, and what are you going to do about it? What are your goals going to be? What are you going to do more of? More video, more posting, more content. What I want you guys to do is more content, more video. That's what's going to help expand your brand. Whether you're a DJ, photo booth, photographer, videographer, you need to show more about what you do, but show it in a fun way, right? You have to remember, this year, you should always be shooting and posting content weekly, right? So most of you don't even post stuff monthly. Some of you guys don't even post stuff within the first half of the year. You should be in a practice of posting new content, new videos weekly. For example, we do educational videos of wedding tips. We call it Wedding Tip Wednesday. And every single Wednesday, we put out new content like this, and we give informational tips on how to help them. Because let's face it, if you're in the industry, you know a bunch of this content from Wedding Wire and The Knot, Wedding Pro, whatever else is all misleading, and it's written by a bunch of interns, right? So why don't you come up with your own content, something that's going to be informational and that you can share and advertise with, and make sure that you are the leader in your industry with that content, as we do every single week. So take that idea, run with it, do something else like that, but post content weekly. Another thing we always do is short 1-minute videos. It's 1 minute with wedding, meaning that we're recapping the entire day within 60 seconds. Because remember, nowadays is everyone has ADD. So you have to make it short, sweet, to the point. If you're making videos long and drawn out, 3 to 5 minutes, no one's going to watch that. Remember, no one cares about your 3 to 5 minute gig log. Oops, what did I say? Guess what? No one cares. What I mean by that is, so no prospect cares about, hey, we're gonna go load my van. Watch me load my van. No one cares. Oh, we got to the venue now. We're gonna unload my van and we're gonna put it in the venue. I'm gonna do my job. No one cares. Think like a videographer for just 1 second, right? Think about detailed shots, showing the exterior and the interior of the actual venue. Say it's a gorgeous hotel or a resort. Show detailed shots of the names laid out perfectly, of the cake before anyone else gets there, the entire room pan before anyone else gets there. And I've heard DJs say this all the time, like, oh, you know, shooting footage on a cell phone is so dark. I'm like, no, you get shots in the daylight while there is daylight. It's 2020. You have a cell phone that hopefully is in this decade, right? And it's going to shoot good video, and you can adjust the settings to 4K, unlike phones from 1999. You can actually adjust your AE lock settings on your phone and adjust your brightness on your phones. And the whole thing is, no one needs to see the entire 1 minute of people dancing. People get it, that you're good at what you do, and people are dancing and they're having a good time, but they're also going to remember that you're probably showing the best 30 seconds of the night. You want to show the entire day of that wedding venue, because maybe you're at a specific hotel or venue that prospect may be looking at, and they want to see it from a different perspective, from how else someone else did their wedding there. Remember, you're showing videos to prospects that are getting married. They want to see the detail. They want to see flowers. They want to see the centerpieces. They want to see the cake. They want to see the entire room. What kind of flowers did they use? They want to see those detail shots, and then also show your services as well as your amazing photo booth or your amazing DJ services, or you have sparklers and whatever the hell else you want to show off. But show other aspects of it and say, hey, your wedding could look like this if you hire our services. And you can use that as brand awareness videos rather than a stupid gig log, all right? We did a series beforehand telling you, what are you going to stop? What are you going to start? What are you going to continue, right? So stop doing stupid gig logs, and no one cares about it besides everyone else in these groups. But no one else in these groups are paying you money. So why the hell are you showing this shit to them? It makes no sense. Another thing is, you might actually have a photo booth laying around. You might have a DSLR camera laying around if you don't want to use your cell phone. Maybe your photo booth is not working, but you probably have a DSLR camera in the back. Grab it. Use some footage off of that if you don't want to use your cell phone. Because, heck, that's even better than cell phone footage, because you actually have a DSLR camera. So utilize with what you have, and there's other great tools tools and other smaller cameras that shoot amazing quality that are only a couple $100. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and get smaller cameras and or a DSLR camera to showcase off your brand. It's only going to help your business. What you should be doing every single gig, ABC. Always be capturing. That's right. Always be closing. Most people think that, but it's always be capturing, ABCs. Always be capturing footage for your brand. So whenever you create these 1-minute wedding videos, you can tag the venue in it. You can tag the photographer, the videographer. You can tag the cake, the florist. You can tag all these people in it, and guess what? They're going to share it as well. So if you tag 10 different vendors in it, they're going to share that off. But if you tag 10 different vendors in your gig log, no one cares. No one cares about you setting gear up and everything else that you have to do and go wipe your ass and everything else. No one cares about that. But they will share a beautiful 1-minute video that what he have done for others in our company multiple times. And we've gotten business numerous times because of it. So why are you going to keep on doing something that's just going to appeal to your peers rather than the actual prospects that are going to pay you money? I just don't understand that. Now you shot all this footage and you're like, what do I do with it? Because you're not a video editor, right? Well, you give it to us and we'll handle the footage for you. So we can put it all together for you, simple and easy, and we will edit for you every single month. We don't farm this stuff out to other freelancers or whatever else. We have everyone in staff in my office back there that does this stuff for a living, that doesn't do this freelance or farming it out to a third world country. It's all done here in America. That's right. We've helped countless others like these companies here that we can help you. Reach out to us, let us know, and we can help your company expand your brand and get better videos. If you have any other questions, reach out to us, and I hope you have a successful 2020. And by the way, I'll see you at Mobile Beat 24. See you guys.